Imagine if I told you that just $1 a day could completely change the course of your financial life. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what thousands of people have discovered through what's now known as the $1 challenge, the challenge that transforms how you think about money, habits, and financial freedom. Today, you'll understand why this simple idea has the power to change everything. But pay attention, the secret isn't in the dollar itself, it's in what that dollar represents. Most people believe they need large amounts of money to start saving, investing, or achieving financial independence. They say, "I'll start when I have more money." But what if it's exactly the opposite? What if you can only have more money once you start with what you have now, even if it's just $1? The 30-day $1 challenge is simple. Every day, you set aside a single dollar, no matter where it comes from. This small action builds something powerful: consistency. And consistency, not luck, is what separates the wealthy from those stuck in debt. But here's what almost no one realizes: the $1 challenge isn't about money. It's about mindset. When you prove to yourself that you can maintain a daily habit, you destroy the belief that it's impossible to change. Studies show that small habits trigger dopamine, the reward chemical, and your brain begins to associate saving with pleasure, not sacrifice. That's why people who start this challenge often don't stop after 30 days. They keep going. And that's when the magic happens. What started as $30 saved turns into a behavioral shift worth millions. Now imagine the long-term effect of that. $1 a day may seem insignificant, but in 365 days, you have $365. In 5 years, over $1,800, and that's without investing. But if you invest those same dollars with compound interest, the value can double, triple, and keep growing. It's the same principle used by millionaires and investors who understand one simple truth.